Let's see how this looks. I'm not too sure if this looks good or not. Just kind of testing it. I hope this looks good. I'm not too sure if it does or not, but yeah. Yo, hey, how's it going, you guys? Sorry I haven't been able to post lately, but big things are coming up. Big things happened, and just haven't been able to post a lot. But it is sunny as shit outside. Sorry, it's really fucking bright. But today, from the beginning of the video, shut up. But anyway, from the beginning of the video, I know you guys saw that I was painting or removing paint from my wheels, because when I bought the car, it came with a set of spares, but the wheels were stolen, and they got retrieved again, and they were painted by, I guess, the guy that stole them. But let's just check these wheels out. I've already gotten some of the paint off of two, but I just wanted to record this because it was kind of worthy. So these are the other two set of wheels that I got. There's that. That one has a cap on now. I gotta see how I can take that off. I don't know how to take that off, but yeah, they're pretty nice wheels. No curb at all. They're pretty clean. Just needs to get rid of all this paint that's on them. So I'll see you guys over there whenever I'm starting the process. Alright, so I just got the wheels to the front of my yard now. But if you look at these things are just absolutely... like, I don't know what the hell this guy was thinking. But anyway, they did a really bad job of painting this thing with the freaking spray can. At least they could, put some layer on top. But this is what I'm working with. Just two set of these BBS wheels. Hopefully I can get them cleaned up pretty good. But yeah, BBSs, they're pretty clean. I mean, this one turned out alright. I just have some of the chemical on them already, but it seems like the actual lip of them is pretty clean. So hopefully they turn out like that. If they do, then I'll just keep that color. Alright, so that wheel right there is basically already covered in whatever this paint stripper is. But yeah, we're just gonna go along with this one. I'm just gonna do a little fast forward with this. how dirty these wheels were. Holy crap. I think that one was worse. Nah, these were definitely worse. Holy shit. All that shit's coming off. Gonna agitate them before I wash them down. Just gonna scrub them real good. Sorry, I'm just gonna scrub them real good, and then I'll hit you guys back up with another clip. So look how filthy these things are. Holy crap. Alright, man. I'll see you guys later. Yo, hey, how's it going, you guys? Sorry, someone just came by. Anyway, hey, how's it going, you guys? I hope you guys are having a good day. I hope you guys are having a good afternoon. Hope you guys are doing all right. We just got some parts from FCP Euro. We just got my oil filter from them. This is the part number I ordered because I have an M50 motor. This is the oil filter I'm going with. I think it's just like the OEM generic model, whatever. But it's like the whole kit, so it comes with the O-ring, all the little washers that need with it. And then I ordered a shifter bushing. Because when I go into first, yeah, it feels a lot different while I have everything on there, but it feels like a lot. So I just want to get it fixed and situated. But I currently don't have the right tools for it, so I need to go run to Harbor Freight to go grab a retaining clip. Let's see if I can turn it. There we go. I need to go grab a retaining clip, pliers, because I don't have anything to get rid of that right there. And I don't want to break it. So I'll probably see you guys over there once I go grab them. But I'm really souped up right now, but sorry about that. But I'll probably see you guys once I get over there. It's not too far of a drive, but I'll record it so you guys will be able to see it. But yeah, thank you to FCP Euro for sending me this. I'm not sponsored in any way by them, but they're just awesome for sending me this and having the parts in stock. So GG. Currently won't be able to take the. So something came up with the E30 yesterday when I was driving it. I kind of sort of hit a bird with the radiator, which I think it hit somewhere like right there, and it hit somewhere on the clip, but broke the zip ties that it was holding on to. And once the zip ties broke, it pushed onto the pulleys, and now there is a hole in the radiator. So our radiator is pretty much toasted, so we can't really do much with that. So we're gonna see. We ordered a Mishimoto radiator. It should be coming in pretty soon, hopefully by next week, and we'll have that on pretty quick. I'm just gonna use the stock coolant lines and everything. so I don't need to order a $90 Mishimoto kit for it or whatever. But I'm also planning on doing some other things with it, like if you guys can see down there, we are under the car and we're looking at the diff. I decided to clean the diff plate, and it turns out I don't have a 391, I have a 373 LSD. So the diff is pretty worn out, and I really need to get the friction plates changed or upgraded, which I'm probably just going to get them upgraded. I want to get those track pack ones that have a racingdiffs.com, but it's all in euros, so I'm just trying to make sure that my bank is able to do it. But yeah, shouldn't be too much of an issue. I just went drifting last weekend, and look at the tire wear. It's just basically still brand new. It was a rainy day, but note that. And she's pretty dirty because it was kind of raining that same day too. But she's pretty clean. And these Falcons are absolutely beautiful. They look fucking sick on this car. I love them. And way too bright. Anyway, that's just kind of how the car's sitting right now, because I had the diff up and just had it up here, just trying to fix the issues the E30 is having at the moment, but hopefully we can get it fixed anytime soon. So, or in no time soon. So, anyway, we're gonna go grab a retaining clip pliers for the shifter, and we'll probably get that fixed, and also change out the oil in the motor. So I'll see you guys there. Just dropped my phone, but we got the goods. I don't know if you guys can see them, but basically the retaining clip pliers to hopefully remove. Shut up! Swear to God, this annoying ass dog is here every single day. He just barks every single day. Alright, so I assume it should just be removing that clip that's right down there. That guy. And then I guess there's another one on the actual shifter, so let's try to remove that. So I just had to loosen the little clip that's in the bottom, so now we have 75 neutrals in the bottom of the transmission. So now this should just pull out. Bada bum boom. And that's where our new bushing goes in, because look at this freaking thing. What the hell is this? Which I don't think that's where our plate comes from. It definitely comes from something else from up there, so I'm kind of scared.